cried at a few things in my life, but this is probably the main one. It certainly brought a few tears to the eye on collection day. When you buy an Edencraft, you're buying ultimately the golden ticket to the greatest show on the water. You know, when we first looked at purchasing a boat, like everybody, you spend most times dreaming about boats and looking at things that you're way out of your expectations and probably more so budget. And with young children, we just needed something that gave us that feeling of comfort and safety. I've never found another product that supports their brand as well as Edencraft. You're not just buying a boat, you're buying an experience that is very hard to replicate. You're buying into a family, you're buying into a brand that ultimately is supported, you know, with 7 years down, 1,000 hours later, and they're still our best friends. We love having them in Tasmania. We host an annual event there where everyone gets together. It's all become a second family for everybody. We all become to know each other. We all come from different walks of life, but we've all got something in common in, again, representing a brand that I find very hard to replicate anywhere else in the country. You only have limited time together, and to be able to do something that you can all enjoy, it's just quite special. Captain Jack's something that we cherish. It's part of our family. It's something that we'll continue to enjoy for many years to come, and I think most people that know me know that I'll probably be buried in it, so it's not going anywhere in a hurry.